going on? This is Antoine Thomas back again with another episode of Silver Lining TV, where we motivate and inspire people to create a better life through real estate. And I want to talk about today something that I read. And if you're not aware, the stock market has been going up and down. If you're into stocks, you'll be seeing today. Today is what's today? May 19th. 2021. Yes, today is May 19th, 2021. So if you're into cryptocurrency, stocks, anything like that, there are a lot of stocks that are popular that have been going down in value. But I also want to talk about real estate, and we could talk about gold and other things as well. But as someone who wants to create wealth for themselves, and by the way, I'm gonna share some information from an article that I recently read. So before I even get into all that, I do want to say I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I just want to share with you an article that I read earlier today on stocks, real estate, gold, and any other long-term investments, and what America voted as the best long-term real estate or the best long-term investment. Okay, I kind of gave it away already. So I want to share my screen with you guys. Again, I want to make this nice and concise for you. So I have an infographic that I want to share. Let me get my screen right. Give me a second. Nope. There we go. Okay. So as you can see right here, America's choice of best long-term investments. And I gathered this information from Gallup.com. So if you go to Gallup.com, then you will find an article discussing what I'm going to go over. So America's choice of best long-term investments. As you can see, America has chosen real estate to be the top choice. You see stocks at 26%, gold at 18%, being liquid, cash money, say in your savings account, 9%, and the bonds 3%. Okay. So I recommend being in real estate. It is my recommendation for me personally. What I do is I want to keep about 40% of my portfolio, 30 to 40% of it in real estate. I think real estate is a great way to build wealth for yourself. And for you, it could be multiple investment properties. It could just be your personal residence, the home that you live in every day. But either way, in my opinion, I agree with this. I believe real estate is the best choice. And again, this is not financial advice, but I can speak on what I read in this and then what I would do. So again, 30 to 40% of my portfolio is and will continue to be in real estate. But then stocks as well is a great option. Okay. And depending on how aggressive you want to be, you could be 10 to 20% in stocks, maybe some cryptocurrency. It just really depends on how aggressive you want to be. However, stocks can be a little more, it could be a little more erratic, I guess you could say, a little more erratic. It can go up and down. Real estate, for the most part, especially in today's market, you've been seeing high appreciation rates. So that's a good way to build wealth pretty quickly. Stocks, again, today is the 19th, May 19th. We've seen stocks go down and cryptocurrency go down as well. And then gold is another great investment. I have gold personally that I have invested in, and that's another good one as well. And as you can see, America chose that. 18% of the people who voted, they chose gold as the best long-term investment. Okay. One thing I will say about having cash money, because back in the day, I'll say back in the day, but my mindset a few years ago was that cash was king in regards to being conservative with the money, letting it sit in your account for a while. And what I've learned is, due to the economy and inflation, that actually over time, your cash loses value very quickly. Okay. And with the pandemic and everything going on, with the inflation rate being what it is, it's probably not best to hold a whole bunch of cash. So you want to definitely make your investments. The key is to spread out your investments over different investing vehicles. Okay. You don't want to just have everything just cash being liquid. You also don't want to have everything being a real estate or everything being in stocks. You got to make sure you spread it out, and that way you're safe. You know, you're going to have stocks that go up and down, like I mentioned before. in one single day, depending on how much money you have invested in stocks, due to the erratic type of vehicle the stocks are, you could lose $100,000, $10,000, $1,000 in one day, and then the next day make another $100,000. So you just got to keep that in mind. I would recommend for everyone, because I am in real estate. This is what I do for a living, and we are always constantly trying to help people build wealth by purchasing real estate, buy, sell, or invest in real estate. I will say real estate is a great choice. Either way, though, I would recommend getting a financial advisor or doing some research to figure out what is going to be best for you. Again, I just wanted to share some information that I thought was very important due to today, a lot of stocks going down and losing. I know some stocks have went down $2, $3. Some people have lost 40% of what they had into stocks or crypto today. So I just thought it would be a good time to share this information. What do you guys invest in? I want to know what do you guys invest? Is it real estate for you guys? Is it stocks? Is it gold? Do you prefer to have, majority of your net worth be just cash? Is it bonds? Is it silver? Anything else? Like, leave a comment. I would like to know, because I think this is something we should have more conversations about, and that is investing. Okay. Again, one of the things we talk about, not only in our organization, Silver Lining Real Estate Group, but the clients and the people that we serve every day, we always talk about building wealth and having an exit strategy and understanding the type of equity and wealth you can generate from owning real estate or owning other assets. So this is a conversation I think we should have, and not only in the professional world, but with our families. Like, at home, we should be teaching our kids the importance of building wealth and being smart with the money, and understanding that inflation happens and what that means and how money actually works. I think it's very important that we share that information and that we learn every day about that. But yeah, I would love to hear from you guys. Share in the comment section. Let me know what are your major investments. What do you prefer to invest in? Have you had a lot of success? What are some investment vehicles that you would never invest in? I think this is a great opportunity for all of us to learn from each other. So that's all I have for you guys today. Just want to share this information, this infographic. And as you can see, America chooses real estate as the #1 long-term investment. So I will say, if you guys have any questions in regards to real estate, I'm not a professional in stocks, gold, and all that other stuff, so I can't really help you too much there. Again, I would recommend you talking to a financial advisor, or there are plenty of courses and people that are well versed in these areas, very astute, that could help you with that. But however, I am a real estate professional, so if you have any questions about how you can generate wealth through real estate, please reach out to myself or anybody on my team, any of the Silver Lining agents. We'll be happy to assist you, give you all the information you need to make smart financial decisions in real estate. Okay. I will close it like I always close it. Our goal is to help you reach yours. And if you need anything at all, please let us know. You guys stay safe out there. I'll see you on the next one.